living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
Hi guys, first flight na mo together. Definitely not the last.
We'll see. We'll
Sige.
see.
Okay. Heading to Texas na. So yeah. Guys, thank you for
See you, Austin.
thank you for watching this episode. I'll see you guys soon. Alright guys, first order of business, Chicha Sanchen. Tired na siya. Yeah. And then we're gonna go get dinner. Tapos ulit na tayo. First day in Austin. First night in Austin. Pick up na niya guys.
Milk tea.
Tea. Welcome to my apartment. Look. Hi guys. We got tacos from Torchy's Tacos. Here we come to Austin. Grab Torchy's Tacos. Pero mahal na sila. Last time I had tacos, ano pa to? Mga $3, pero pila pa to years ago. Or mga $5 each na. Yeah. Tacos in Texas. Here it is. Whoa. What did we get? Oh. Ambot. We got migas, we got Hogfather, the Democrat, and
Baja shrimp.
Baja Shrimp. So we got 4 tacos.
And milk tea.
And let's see from Chicha Session. Wow. Oh shit, forgot. Yeah. Oh, let me take this out. Fresca, guys.
Wala yung knife.
Knife? It's gonna be like actual cut.
Parang
I-bite na lang.
dito mo.
Yes, you're supposed to eat it with hands. Amot ako. Ikaw, what do you want? Is there a knife?
Oh, here.
Bite na lang. Ay, slice ni mo? Yeah. No. I don't think that's the knife I use.
Meron brown sugar. Ay, meron brown sugar siya.
Ano ba yung sauce? Is it green sauce?
Ano? Green na.
Huh? Green yung ganina?
Ay, ano? Ano siya pagka-green?
Mukha siya? 4?
Mm.
Okay. Oh, so good. Charo tea latte. Get the hot one. From Chicha Sashin.
Kaya na yung plate tip.
Huh?
Kaya na yung plate.
Oh, do I?
Yeah.
Okay.
Kuha na akong hap.
Okay. Sige. What's mga sauces? Sauces. Init lang ang kwarto. Kaya akong karnel.
Kaya naman?
Buong na ako na circulate na kayo.
Nagtayo.
Ano man?
Naman.
What's sa kay Marvin?
Pwede ra.
Review me guys. Sa take namin couple bites. Review din na mga ano. We're gonna review the tacos. Nagatup tawi-tawi si Arvin. Salud.
For free.
Nice ba na dad to, pero murag hadlok lang mo.
See the impact of your lifestyle?
Iyan ang i-debunk.
Build
Mo.
smart.
Bakit?
Ito gagawin sa Pilipinas na overnight fare.
Ayun.
Backpacker ang atake for today's video. Kasi na-prepare na lunch for us because
What is this?
first,
Oh, Democrats. We're trying to them step first.
once in a lifetime kung ilan mga facets.
Ay, hindi ko.
Ay ko.
Pabong. Or, parang.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, meron naman tayong gala. Today we are going to explore the Philippines, pero this time, first time natin napupuntahan dito sa Mindanao. We are going to visit Zambasue. So, we are going to visit 4 places dito sa Mindanao. Zamboanga, Basilan, Sorus, and Tawitao. So, never pa ako nakapunta dito sa mga...
Fan mo niya na?
Nakapag-meet
Ako din. Ako ang fan ni Marvin. Alright, let me try the Democrat. Yeah. Oh. Ano ka man yung icon?
Unsa?
I think this one is Democrat. Right.
Lang.
Halang? Which one? Kani mo? Ay, kani? So it's different. Oh, that's spicy. Yeah. Hindi siya init.
Cheers.
Cheers. Yeah.
Ano dyan?
Namig gila ano? The Democrat. Beef barbacoa. Meron siya niya?
Remember sa mga ilalim.
Ang tapos? Mga
Wala.
kwan.
Parte, kami ni Jed ang raga. Remember mga kurikula mga ulit kami. May Viber magkulang mo siya kuan. Mga food critic tayo.
Oh. Try this one. Kulang yung sauce niya. Nakaka na siya. Pero 8 out of 10. Kung mas init, mas lalo. Pero on the sweeter side na siya, no? Who do you put the sili dyan?
Kayo.
Ano sa yung mga mahilig?
Ano siya pili?
Nagun ba unlimited sa Davao na seafoods, no? Ano?
Dahil po siya Chinese food. Hot pot ka.
Davao?
Hmm.
Naman ko yung direct flight kita sa Korea po. Oh, ano mo gano'n?
Gusto ko matry ko sa next.
Wala.
Iutan mo. Tama lang kayo. Paulaw pa ka.
Ano ba ano?
Asa ka ni?
Nahalang. Which one did you get? Migas?
Hmm.
This is the breakfast sandwich called migas. Alright, hold on. Yeah, cheers.
Cheers.
Busog yung gani. Plus there's avocado.
Hindi ka ba siya?
Yeah. Katong green sauce, makalamig yung gani. Antay ah. Ano na po ka? Ano sa rin?
Dili ka siya halak. Na same time.
Kaya ang cheese ang mag-season sa migas. Pero lamig lagi itong migas na ano. Ay, migas na dami na ano. Sauce. I'm too tired. Nabusog kita, babe. Ay, halang. Hi?
Hindi kasi wala.
Di ka ganahan? Butang na lang ka. No. Yeah, isa mo next.
Ni.
Baha shrimp. It's a baha shrimp. Migas is 4 out of 10 for me. Tabang siya.
Cheers. Passion, guys. Oh,
Ang shrimp pa lang lamig kayo.
I remember last time I tried Baja shrimp. Kauban ako ang barkada ni Micah, si Joella. Visit na sa Austin. At to silang, kuhan kuha ko. Ipatry ko nila sa Baja shrimp. Ito ang last. Kuhan siya. For me, 7.5. Kung kaya guys, do not to go. Eat it dito. Kay presto pa, di ba?
Dabi ko mga tas lang ang imong gito go.
To go na mo kay kapoy na mi from travel. Gusto ni may try ang kani? This one? Next. What's man ni? Cheers. What's man ni? Hogfather. The Hogfather. Cheers.
Cheers.
Mga 7. 7. Lean ang ilang gigamit na baboy. Lean.
Mga 5.5 to 6 lang.
Ayan?
Mhm.
Wala na. Hindi ko na babe. No. The best ako kay Juan. Ang Democrat no?
Hindi po po ano.
Ang shrimp. Ba shrimp. Gusto ka sa akong ba
Ang
shrimp?
shrimp pa, hindi okay na po. Ang ba shrimp, ang shrimp pa lang manggod alone.
Ang last lang nila. Oo. Yeah. Yeah. Democrat is the best. The second ba shrimp. No. As ang worst, trip ko ano. Last 3. Last 2. Bobanin mo, babe. Yan na, babe. Ah.
Muna gi-save sa nako kay kalami. So kung dili lang mi ang uban balikan ko ni.
Makes sense. Wala na finish. Ay, nahurot naman din ako itong Kera. Hindi itang sauce. Itong green sauce man ang lami. Okay. Na ka? Sure na ka? Wow. I'm gonna eat a lot of the sauce. Mas nilamit. Yung upset stomach na po. Hi guys.
Alang halayo nakatalago.
Ang finish na akong info. Mag-review na po ko sa ano. Sa boba next. There. Finish na din ako guys ang ano. Ma-finish na tacos. Sayang. Binaboy. Oh.
Masabi siya prima.
Ba? Zero na na. Zero na na. Nga sugar. Yung tataro no?
Maybe.
Yeah. Rating. What's your rating on your drink?
Ako drink. First out ako rate kayo. 8.5 to 9. So pag-try na ko sa mo ha. Naiwan siya. Na-change ako my rag na lang sa 7.5.
Mas lami ang akong drink. Bitaw ko. Lami yun siya ang kuhan. Ang hot.
First time good ako mag-try hot.
Nga, nag-change yun ako mind. Kaya, muna nga ako lahi na ang bobati na init. Kaya, mas less
So
ano
guys,
siya.
sa kuan babe, sa Ireland.
Kani, bagay sa Ireland no. Nya, mas lahi siya og.
Kay dili ilaha mo gud kay sige mas like tea. Pero lang tea kay hot.
Bobati?
Dili boba tea. Kanang tea na marag
Ako
tea.
ganahan ko tea. Good.
Tapos utangan nila milk
Yeah.
Some
Sa London. Yan,
like,
British car na. Nandi raw tabok
na after
ng
ng
tea.
tea.
Munang sa una mag-ano ko, nakoy oat milk, ibutang na perminti sa kong tea. Unya, yeah. Kay less, mas kana ba yung noon, murag less, ano kay siya ba, less decadent. Murag dili kay ko guilty ba, kumahuman akong ino. Kay tea, init, or ginana. I'm gonna eat the baha shrimp left. My rating for yours is, di mo ka ng Tiger Boba good? So, mga ano, sa mga 6. 4 actually, 4. Last, ano naman, last. Sige na
Diba
lang.
yung sa popular?
Sige na lang.
Na sa popular.
Ay, kutubo.
Hindi mag-appeal di.
Actually, wala. Ang last popular kay katong version niya na bugnaw.
So, di yung kay ko na.
Kaya ang nakatry ko hot tea, sa tong influencer na ko na friend, si Asip of Texas, na na-post man siya na anak ko na po ka-try niya. So, try itong kuan, try ang hot nut order.
Pero tabang na siya ako yun.
Okay. Pa-shout out naman Marvin siya. Yun ba? Dream ko na ma-meet si Marvin kaya sa Tokyo na, ay sa Japan lang random ba? Mamansin ko dito.
Maduol yung ka. Piling na mo ato yung ka. Chikakan gani mo kabalo ka fan ba kay ko nimo kasi ko watch yung mga videos. Chikakan pa gani mo random person na unsa pa kay bawo ka na si Marvin kay kanang managad din siya sa imuha kay dili siya suplado. Sure do ko imo gid siyang doolod.
Yun ginawa
Ya mo gawas lang ka sa iyang vlog. Ya pili ka na ako kay after yung siya chikahon niya, uy, asa kayo mga ito siya, mag-try to, tapos, ulam yun, sige, hindi kayo mo umas, din ka sa yahay, nana ko feeling, tapos magawas kasi ang vlog.
Banpo.
Tapos ma-chika rin na siya, vlog mo ko because of you, nana, tapos, guys, kanang, check out ko,
Nice ang episode, babe.
dapat makita gini mo si Marvin.
Ay.
Kaya para musikat ka, di rin ko trabaho.
Na isang episode, babe, na nasa na-meet na Filipino, nasa sa bamboo forest sa Kyoto. Yeah. Gusto picture na si Marvin niya. Nagpa-picture na lang siya sa katong Filipino. Yanggan sa kaon sa Filipino, siyang barkada, kay iba niyang barkada, nag-uban na silang kaon.
Sabang na ako.
Ako, katabang na po, nahurot siguro niyo ka ng sugar. Tabang niya na. Wala siguro maganda ito gimmicks na sige inom sa bus ba? Nag-change na ako mga 3. Joke. Kasi nalanay na po ng ice. Mas ganahan ko na. 5 na. Sabi ang boba no? QQ. Sabi ko na. Yan ang description nila sa boba. Na ang perfect na boba QQ. Kaysa Taiwanese, ang QQ kay description na chewy. QQ. Yun na yun. QQ lang siya. QQ. Ka-learn ko.
Ang kana ko ni Jeda.
Yeah. Mata na siya. Taiwanese ba si Del?
Dili, chain.
Mate. Ako na ako. Hey guys. Final rating. Ano saan yung final rating?
7.
Ako kay Kuan.
Katong kuan, katong kuan na to na milky, itong na sila kuya ba? Amen ko to.
Shit. Ano nga ito? Tiamo.
Dili, ang tiamo kay katong nagkita duha kagapon. Nagmomo man tingan dito totong nata sa Wood Heights katong sa mall
Lamihan ka to?
Oo.
Ay, katong uben ako? Unsa man ito?
Something like
Something M,
ube.
something M,
Brad
diba?
Momo, something to be.
Tanawan ko sa last episode. Check it out. Maabot na to sa last episode. Nabang na kayo. Okay, guys.
Di mo ni
Alright. Kita kids. Morning, guys. It's Kaysa. First morning in Texas. Cheers, cheers.
coffee.
Coffee first. Slow pa kayo. Yeah. First order of business today, laundry, coffee, dayon work. Oh, workout day, brunch day. Yeah. Update ng Tamonia, guys. Okay.
Oh, naikuha ni.
What does it say?
Hey, with the heart.
Ebe?
So cute.
You like it?
Thanks, babe.
Welcome. Char. She got the new pods.
Charge.
No, you can use it. Yeah. Got her the new AirPods Pro. I'm jealous. No, just kidding. Still have my the thing buds. But yeah. She's had her AirPods for like quite some time now. Tapos yeah, she's been like the mic is broken and you know how it is, like the longer you use products, it breaks down, wear and tear. Yeah, hope she enjoys it. She likes to run with it. Yeah, she's using it now. Okay na? How's it? Better? Later na?
Ako madunggat.
Grabe, no? Ang ano, no? Wow. First workout in Austin, look at her. Grabe, grabe. Wow, wow, wow. Alright, guys. Kaye gave me Vendor 4 for my birthday. And also, ano siya? Good for a Christmas gift na po. Let's do unboxing. It's my first time owning a Garmin watch. So Veno 4, it's like an Apple Watch version of Garmin. And one of the reasons why that I wanted to switch over to Garmin because Apple Watch, as you guys as you may know, it barely lasts a day, and I use my watch a lot. I work out a lot, and yeah, I use it to monitor health stats and stuff like that. And what it looks like. Ta-da! It's kind of big though, but yeah, and so going back, Apple Watches only lasts a day, and Garmin lasts like 9 to 10 days, with just strict watch usage, and yeah, tapos this has GPS, built-in GPS in it, and onboard storage na you can download like songs. If you have Spotify Premium, you can download songs there, and it will you can go without your phone and then listen to it while running.
Yeah, how do I turn this on? Here you go. I'm so happy. Hey, I don't even know how to turn this on. Do I need to charge this first? Turn on. Let's see, let's see. Oh god, my wrist is so small. English. Earphone. But yeah. Garmin user. Yeah, and I work out a lot, so this is gonna be very helpful. And I can use this at Japan, so I don't have to worry about like charging all the time. Tapos what's nice is I think I can charge using USB-C, and I only have one cable for my travel, which is very convenient. With Apple Watch, you have to bring your own the Apple Watch charger, and yeah, I ain't about that. Um, so I'm really glad. It's very convenient. I mean, it's not a big deal, but it's very convenient. I'm excited. Thank you, babe. But yeah. So today's plan, Kay's showering. And then I'm gonna go to work. I'm gonna leave her at a coffee shop, and she's gonna chill there. And then after that, we're gonna go to down. We're gonna go to downtown, and then I'm gonna leave her at a coffee shop. Tapos we're gonna head to San Marcos outlets, and then yeah, show her around and see if she can shop. And see you guys later. Bye.
And guys, first brunch. Hey! Bang silog, baby. Bangus, egg, boiled egg, kamatis, tomato, and sunny side up eggs. Camera eats first.
Yeah.
Wow, look at that. Outfit check.
Hmm.
Outfit check, outfit check.
Kailan na yung anak?
Wow, wow, wow.
Bapak!
Dako big yan. Look at kayo.
Hmm.
Nice, nice,
Di bagay
nice.
na ginawa sa outfit.
Cha cha cha. Tara, sige. Yeah. Yan guys, we're here sa ano? Sa Philippine School. Sa Tanger Outlets. San Marcos Premium Outlets.
Shopping ko niyo, babe.
Dili. Next year, for next year. Sure. Mag-shopping si Kay. No. Magtanaw rami. It's actually the biggest outlets in Texas. So it's different, di ba? The other week.
Bigger siya sa Vegas.
Bigger siya sa Vegas. Di ba last
Sa Vegas.
last night or yesterday nagatumi sa Chicago outlets, pero yeah, yang atake kay pang ano, it's like bigger. I miss the Adidas is the first first order of business. Nadaghan akong bucket hat. Adidas, wala ko Nike na bucket hat to. Oh, okay. Just but only the ones with the tag, right? Oh, except those ones. Okay. Did you guys go sa ano? Adidas na dito?
Oh, pero... Ay, asa? Sa Vegas?
Oo.
Pero wala ko gidayon.
Pure Boost. Okay? Nice nga po ng Pure Boost, babe. Nakatry na ang Pure Boost. Nice na pang walking. Pero, di lagi ka siya mas grabe sa po. Wala yan sa?
Anday sa one ba?
Yeah. Usually, grabe ang sale ba sa February, babe? Basta Adidas gani. Pati try sa Europe. February. Yes, sir. Try February.
kay mo nang gingon sa akong tito po. February ang grabe na. Ay, gingon ni Paul. February ang grabe na sale. Basta mga sapatos, sinana, mga Nike. Yes, sir. John. Okay. Ibistahan na kita, babe. Ay, sa, huwag mong imig ako. This one, oh. Babe, nice, oh. Yeah, this one's cute. Take an additional 50% off. Plus, so if, ano mo, if medical professional mo, I think you take another 20% or 15% off on top of this one. So, barato na din kayo siya.
Kani kay bag
Di ay? Converse day.
normal.
Running shoes, wait. You come for running shoes. Phew, damn. It's only $40. Nice pag yung color, oh. Nang ko sa color. Blue na, royal blue. Bye-bye. Hi. Nike next. Nike next. Just do it. Diba? Look. Cheers. Running yung gusto? Ano? Running. Pero dili na sila ga medical country. Dili sila ga medical field discount. Arabi ko. Kuan. Running. Pegasus. Workouts ni. Mainly di ako kay flat foot. Pero kaniyang workouts kit. Dili kay sila ga discount compared sa ano. Compared sa Adidas. Which one are you looking at? The whites. Saan siya? Zumbella? Ha?
Right. Is that that?
Think. Which way? No, just look comfortable. Nice ni siya, babe, oh.
Unsa?
Nice ni siya. Gahi. Ha? Hala. Umukay ni Bibo? Oh, yeah. Muna kung gusto next. Akong New Balance 9060. Oh, shoot. This is nice. Look. It's called Nike Alite. Holy crap. Guys. Suede action. Very soft too. Damn. It's legit. It's only $64 here, guys. Where'd she go? Wala ka? Kids naman eh. Kids na ni. $30%? Dito na no? Additional 30%. Oh. Kasi 8. 7.5. Can you hear? Nice po niyo. Pang sneakers lang ba? Yan.
Bubblegum action, no? Ano kung ginahin na colorway? Look. Blue and brown. Dude, nice oh. Ha?
Mayra siya.
Fit na lang. I-try na lang.
Size.
Wala no give it? Masig day. It's a different on that shoe. I don't feel like shopping. Let's check out some other shoes here. $59 only. You know what I missed? Nike Reacts. Kato. Ito mga React shoe. $49, $64. $64. $44. Not bad. Yeah, wala na din Nike React kayo. Zoom, $99. Air Pegasus? No. Air Zoom. This look good. So $9. Flyknit? Nope. $99. Where is she? Oh, she's still there. Aha. How does it feel?
But 34 na lang mo.
$34? You like it? For walking?
Sure.
It's big?
Kinda. More siya kanang pang running. Chura Pro.
Ang 7.5.
Di kay siya inana kaso. Kaya di man gunin ako siya pwede mo pang laag-laag.
No.
Na.
Is it running? Yeah.
Oh, night running. Pero
7.5, dili? Wala sa 7.5? Yeah. Sure. I agree. It's rather big. Eh no, babe, off. Is it the same? Pero gamay siya.
ang ako kay ang pad.
Dili ka na.
Kusol.
Yeah.
Kay what's ano? Kaya gatong sa Nike na.
Humok to. No, the rest are here. Mga running get over here. Birds, guys. I don't know what kind of birds they are, but they're so loud. You know. Next order of business, Under Armour. What? Sorry. Score of the week. Yeah. I don't know if ako Under Armour na shoes. I don't think I've had shoes from Under Armour before. Some of them look good though. Look solid. Oh my god, these are soft. Colors are meh. These ones are good though. Black ones, always good. But other than that, I am not sold. And lifestyle shoes are over here. Blue. Traces of like plastic over here. Logo plastic. I don't know. These look good though. Wow. Reminds me of Ultra Boosts. But I am not sold. Oh, dude. These are sick. Nice colorway. It's like a flying kind of thing, stitches. Yeah. Kay's right. She doesn't vibe with the shoe designs of Under Armour, but she likes their clothes. So that works. Project Rock. I've always wanted shoes from Project Rock, just for workout shoes. I'll get one. Where'd she go? Where did she go? She probably is here. Kakita ka?
Nice na design.
Ano man? Running ano?
Oh. Rip boxers ka lang.
Yeah, I agree. Sige lang, there's plenty more. Check pa New Balance.
Kani, kay maginana. Ano ba ako? Under Armour.
Very nice niyo. This one, the pink one, or the BTS purple.
Kani? Very boxer.
Yeah. Athletics. Oh, I have athletics like these. No. Let me sa coach. Hindi ni siya mabudol. First order, fourth order of business, coach.
Wala pa.
Wala pa.
Now.
Yeah. Oh, these are nice. Holy crap.
Nag-take ba ako, baby nana kung kahit ay mo. Kala ko nang dili lagi mo stick ako dato siya mo
List.
tama.
Okay, akong idea mong good is akong idea is I will sa tagani kanang fit yun ba? Ako like I will go to a store that they'll fit me. So yeah.
Nag-take ko ko ato na what if ami ako ibay na kanang rag pinana brand rag na kay thank you.
Thank you.
Na kay branded. So
Yeah.
para ko na dili lagi mag-overthink. Dapat
Naami to, nasabutan mi nato sa list. Oo. Yeah. Yeah.
Iya rag nasuriyahan beta na ahead of time kung
Mm.
na basin nice lagi ni ka pero basin dili ina mahal pa yung tayo ko anya rag pindili inana na as kung katagid akong gibay na gusto niya.
Oh, yeah. Fifth store, New Balance. Excluded from promo. Ah, shucks. 990. Oh, the suede. 530s. 9060s. I'm looking for 9060s. Babe, nice, babe. Good that. $9060s. Looking for $9060s. Soft.
Yeah.
Buy one, get one 50% off. You're buying one? I'm buying one. Trying to see if they have 9060s too. Because I was planning to buy one in Japan, but we'll see if they have it here. Fresh phone. $10. 90, 60s. It's hard though, because those shoes, parang feeling na ko dili kay sila mag-sale because they excluded from promos katong mga bestsellers. So I don't think they're gonna have one here that's on sale. We'll see. They actually do. Meron sila, guys. Holy shit. Let me see if I could fit one. If they have one in my size. Good day. It's buy one get one 50% though. So basically when I sale. But I don't think they have it sa akong style. Yeah. Babe. Pero wala na sila, babe. Hurot na. Empty. Empty. Kato. Naisu. Kato akong gusto. Pero wala. Wala lang yun sila. Dili lang yun. Wala sila yung stock. Yeah, sayang. It is what it is, cuz. Damn. Mm. You guys out of 9060s?
9060s?
Yeah.
So we have or 8 versions of that.
Oh, but I thought it was just like
No.
yeah. So you
For safety reasons, we don't have them out anymore. But was there one that you're interested in by chance?
when people take them out. Yeah. Can I get like at size 8 of this?
Sure. And
Yeah.
if we don't have that, I can bring you another.
I just want to fit. Yeah.
So size 8.
Yeah. Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Oh wow.
Custom.
They're comfortable. Pwede mo siguro?
Sombra ko. Look, pinahan, pero buy one. Just get it.
Mahal kaya ako Mahal kaya ako. Hey guys. No, it's very comfortable. All right, I was sold. I'm gonna order somewhere. Saint Laurent. Sabi. How much have you saved today?
Fine.
Wala pa yung spend. Mark safe. Mark safe from Mark
So
safe from
far.
capitalism. Guys, we're at a very dangerous part na sa ano, sa outlets. You got White House Black Market. You got Lacoste there. Lucky Jeans. Ala ka. L'Occitano, Tory Burch on the other side. Oh no, that's the worst part. Patay. Versace coming. Patay, patay. Hapit na. Hapit na, hapit na. To me, oh, to me, to you. Ala ka. Napaisa, oh. Versace on the store.
Kate Spade.
Kate Spade, oh, Kate Spade. Napa, oh, are you a Filipino? Citizen, no? Uy, Philippines. Saan pera? Gamo? Tama.
Walay, walay.
Walay. Joke. Citizen. Muna gini guys, muna yung pinaka-dangerous part sa ano. Na nata, Valentino na guys. DNG, L'Occitane, agay. Na guys, nata sa DNG guys. Patay, L'Occitane. I don't know what's past there, but doesn't look good. Gonna be expensive. Queso in the restroom, so ulat na lang ta. So it's getting darker na, so I don't know. So far, wala pa may nakabay og stuff. Kung may nabudol, I'll see. Yeah, siya. Creepy? I mean, it's the last, yeah, it's the corner, most corner. It's creepy dito sa ko, kay grabe ang lubang sa lalaki. Bro. DNG! Yeah, my favorite store in Mexican. Hi. Okay. Awesome. Timers ng place. Sikat yun siguro ni babe. Kaya dili sila mag-sale ani na ano no. Di ba kay same po siya sa Vegas ay sa ano no? Chicago no? Sa Europe di pa siya mag-sale. Ani?
Duty free lang siya barat.
Rose? ETC.
Siya.
Yeah, kay sa Vegas it was also like $85.
Ano lang. Barat.
Oh yeah, it's usually the gift set. Ang barato. Gift set guys, ang barato guys. L'Occitane. Choose any of the three. $30, $40. What is this? Body and hand duo. Yep. Thank you. You too.
2 or more per night, 20%.
Marked safe. Mahal po ni Diri, babe. Bragging po. Hori Perch. Ano sunset? Nice sky. Ayan guys. Sunset. Oh. Oh, kami. Yep. Ano guys, Tory Burch. Nice.
Pero 130.
139. It's not bad. I think not many lines still siguro. Look guys, looks like a Pauline bag. No, 40% off. Gani? Oh yeah. Black mini top. What can you put in here? Cell phone?
Mabo.
Okay. The bejeweled stuff here. Oh yeah. So it looks good though. Mm. It's common Kenny, diba babe? Common Kenny. This one. This design right here. It's very common. Bagay.
Meron ako ka ng Nepo baby na kanang
Nepo baby na di ano, anak sa toast na Nepo baby.
reverse rock.
Reverse Nepo. Reverse Nepo. Kana mga scraps ra ba? Salin-salin sa project. Bagay sa out. Ay, best shoes be. Yeah, okay. How much is it? 249.
249.
Damn. Oh. Guys, kung sino ang gusto magpapasabay, guys, sir. Pasabay pa Ireland.
Kung ano ang kuan pag edit ni mo yan.
True. True. Mark safe again, guys. Mark safe. Thank you, thank you. Mark safe. Watch station. Ano mga watches studio? Burberry MK. Ito? Guys, we finally got our first budol. So. North North Face. A6. Last store. North Face. Finally, it's actually really cheap. I expected mga $80.
Uy, nana, di ko mabay.
Good thing nag-ask ka. So what we got was 2 bags. Borealis backpack, one of the best sellers nila sa North Face. And another small backpack. I forgot what it was. And 4K. And yeah, it's very cheap. It's like 63 bucks.
Yeah.
Good thing she asked about the healthcare discount because they gave us 10% more off. So yeah, guys, if you are a nurse, doctor, mental therapist, or whatever, tell them, or PT, yeah, tell them na healthcare discount. They'll give you extra discount. Or just ask. They might have one. 16, 18. It's been a while. Yeah, guys, we're at 16, 18. I got orange chicken, calamari, the famous calamari, and then the pineapple fried rice. I've been here several times. It's always really good. Yeah. I'm so tired now. Here you go. True. Oh. That's what they said. Thank you. Okay. Here. Try this one then. Dip it. That's all. Okay, go to make it. Sorry. Kanyang win na lang guys. So, thank you. Give it sa coconut. No? Thank you. Hi.
The first time trying your orange chicken. Thank you. I think I'm good. Oh, thank you. Let's try the orange chicken. Wow. Good. Orange chicken good. Dip it. But guys, the fried rice is spicy. How's it? You know, very good. Nay pa niya. Very good. Kuna ini. Tingnan mo. Come on.
Oh, it's about the easiest way to go.
What do you think?
17 pounds within 70.
Hindi mo rate sa pan. Fried rice. Oh. Kaya nasa chicken naman good. Nasa chicken na siya. Oh, thank you.
Oh, yeah. One that was more like a plus and then
Out of 10, pila mo.
wow.
Nice. Ako yung 8.8. A chicken for me is 7 to 8. Ikaw.
Nanganap po. Kung calamari po.
Agree. Calamari is close to perfect. I think what brought it up is the sauce. But this is
Oh yeah, how many chicken wings are
Fish na lang mo yung food. Finish the food. Okay, okay.
Yeah, guys. Just taking a video. Ooh. Austin, man. Best city in the world. Chin, chin, chin. Chin. Welcome to Austin. Yes, skyline. Nice with some apartment. Now may rooftop ang garage.
Wow, nakakabig.
Hi guys. We're taking a stroll sa
Reno.
sa river walk diri sa sa outside diri sa 1618. Look at that. Ooh. What's it? Oh.
Yeah.
Yan guys. Look at the skylight. Wow. Nine.
Sa yan na.
Wow.
Wala na.
So hindi.
Jim, now coming later.
Bye.
Bye, Ate.
Bye.
I love you so much.
And guys.
Together.
It's so windy. Bye. Hey guys, we're gonna end the night here. We're gonna go home soon. Thank you again for watching. Till next time. Bye bye.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Like and subscribe.
Oh yeah, forgot about that.
Don't
Bye
forget
bye.
to like and subscribe.
Ingat.